All right, you guys, I am back and I am actually outside. My aunt is helping me. Say hey, Treese. Hey. Okay, she's helping me take all these old clothes and shoes and stuff that my grandma just basically been collecting out. We're in the back. How many bags was that you threw away? 2 bags so far, and then can you guys see this? It is how many bags? 3 right here. So that's 5, and we're a little bit more than halfway done. I haven't even did the closet. So she basically had a lot of stuff just piling up, so that tells me I need to come over here more often. Like, this is what the room looks like when it's partially clean, I should say. So here it is. Let's see. All right, so this is the entryway, of course. Go into the room. It's the old mattresses. She kept the plastic on it. These bins extremely dirty, so I need to go through that, all the old mail, wipe down the walls. As you can see, I left those 2 needles for insulin. I left, how many boxes is that at? 6 boxes of those. Her dresser, which I need to go through. Of course, you guys remember how it was like those bins. I kind of went through those clothes. The stuff that she didn't need, I threw it away, and the stuff that I was gonna keep, I have it in the. I left it in the tote, and I'm gonna take it to the laundry and clean them, wash them again. Here is, of course, the mattress in the window, and then this is the closet, the last thing that I have left to do. Clean out and probably do like double racks. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to build shelves, but look how far it goes up. Yes, a lot of room. So maybe down the line I'll come back and do some shelves, but for right now I'm just gonna do 2 clothing racks, a higher one and a lower one, and call it a day. All right, here's how the room looks once it has been painted all white. You may not can tell the difference, but it was tan. Let me turn off the fan. All right, so again, this is how the room looks once it is painted. And I just chose to do it all white, and I'll go back and do the gray stripes. So this is how the wall looks. Yeah, this is how the room looks. And I started taping with the blue painter's tape to get the stripes going, and I hung the curtains, which I'm gonna take down so that paint won't get on them. But yeah, this is how the room looks after it's been painted, and I'm gonna finish the stripes. I haven't put in the lamp or the light, the new pendant light yet, but hopefully my uncle will do it soon. All right, this is how it looks. Making progress. All right, you guys, I'm back. I'm about to start painting the stripes on the wall. I use the, so hard to see, the blue gray sky paint by Walmart, the Color Place brand. So yeah, let me guys show you a trick. Let me show you guys a trick first. In order to prevent leakage or spillage of the gray paint onto the white, I saw this on, I read an article, I believe it was on Pinterest, where you use a bar of soap. I used a cheap soap from the dollar store or Family Dollar or Dollar Tree, Ivory soap, or Ivory soap, or not Zest, but anyway, the cheapest bar, because you're just using it for this. And what you do, you run it across the blue stripes like this, and it helps seal, it helps prevent the soap catches any drippage, and it helps it from spilling over into the white. And then you just get a paper towel like this and just gently wipe off any excess. So yeah, I'm gonna get started with the stripes. So let's see how it turns out. A little nervous because I just painted the walls about 2.5 hours. I read online that it's usually okay depending on what type of paint you use. So I used the, for the white, it was a primer and paint mixed white, and it was like a, not a semi-gloss. I can't think. It wasn't the highest gloss, but that's what I used with the white. And then the blue is a satin finish. Not the blue, but the gray is a satin finish. So let's see how this turns out. A level or anything. I always eyeball it when I do my paint project, which is not best practice, but I really do a pretty good job of keeping my lines straight. Hopefully I did the same with this one, but I will recommend you using some type of level to tape your blue tape on to make your marks. If I do like a more complex design or a larger wall or taller walls, I'll probably use a leveling device to make sure that it's perfect with the lines. But I did stripes once before, like twice before, so this is my third time doing like a stripe, whether it's multiple stripes or one stripe on the wall. Y'all see this? Why I can't get anything done. Look at who's here. Come on, y'all. Say hey to the camera.
Hey.
Y'all in the way.
I got this. How many books I got from my uncle? 1 4th grade book, 2 4th grade book.
Can I say don't touch it?
3 4th. Sorry, y'all. I got a picture spinner.
Alright.
I'm gonna show y'all when
No, I'm checking back in. I wanted to let you guys see how the paint turned out with the gray stripes. So here it is. Once you start taking off the blue tape, you see it's a perfect line with not too much spillage over. The paint didn't seep through, so I'm gonna continue to pull the tape at a really sharp angle. Let me see. Alright. See, it's perfect. And again, I didn't use any leveling device, so I'm proud of myself with these stripes. I went over the bottom though, I see. And I'm all out of white paint because this was the leftover paint from my closet. But you see right here, it's a little blue they got at the bottom. But other than that, it is perfect. Alright. Let me give you let me stand back and zoom out. Alright, I guess I'm out. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish taking off the rest of the tape and then decorate, and I'll be back so you guys can see. It's weird because I'm looking at the screen instead of like looking directly at the lens. So the light is now in. I'm excited. It's so freaking cute. I need to clean it off. I can't see the finger marks, but yeah, I have to clean it out. But it's nice, it's nice, it's nice. And then I have this lamp, which I need to get a shade for extra lighting. But yeah, it's turning out well. Let's see if you can see the light better on this side. And no, we're gonna focus. Okay, what I was saying is that I'll check back in with you guys once the decorations are up and I take down the blue painter's tape. I was trying to show you guys the light close up. Oh, there's a better shot of it. I wish I was taller. But yeah, it was it turned out nice. And I'm glad. Sorry about that. I'm glad my uncle was able to finish it. Well, my uncle started it in my family friend. He finished it off. So yeah, it's all done. I'll come back and show you guys the reveal later on. Bye. Alright, here's the preview of the room. It is finally complete. Here's the dresser the chest that my grandma already had. And I got a mirror that was on sale for $7 from Burlington's. I have this grandma canvas picture. It says, "Grandma is the name and spoiling is the game." So that came from Walmart. I think it was like $5. Not sure though. And the walls came out perfect. Alright, so this is the side of the room. And it's very small in here, of course. So this is this blank white wall. These two teal color mirrors. And also the medallion. It all came from Burlington's. The bedding came from Burlington's. The throw pillows came from Burlington's. Also the throw blanket. This twin sheet set came from Ross, and I didn't iron it, so excuse it, but it'll level out once people start sitting in it or laying in it. This rug was an old rug from my old apartment. I need to get a lampshade for the lamp. This is just extra lighting. And then this lamp, I think this is the favorite part. I can't really get a good picture of it, but it's really pretty if you're in the room. These old curtains were recycled from my old apartment. And this, also the curtain rod with the little glass look came from Burlington's as well. So this is how that looked. So yeah, the room is finally complete, and I'll try to step out so you guys can see the full view. And I'm inside the room. I didn't put anything on this wall. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do over here, but I may put something. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. And this is just a stool, and I covered it with a tablecloth. I'm gonna get I have a table at home that I'm gonna bring here for the lamp. But yeah, this is the completed room, and I like it. I like it a lot. Comment below, let me know what you think. And again, this is going to be just the extras. This is a spare room in my grandma's house, an extra sitting room that she will have for entertaining. All right, bye.